am back. Welcome to Travel, where I vlog about my artistic journey and creative adventures. In this vlog, I'm making mixed media paintings, so let's paint with me.